Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. Voice activation on shades has become super popular. We're going to do a little enactment for you so that you can see what it would be like if you had shades that were done by voice. Now these are Hunter Douglas honeycomb shades, and we have this beautiful window here with a draperies on it, which means that you'd have to reach behind them in order to operate it if they were manual. But with voice, now just pretend that you're laying in this bed and you want to go to sleep, and you would say,
"Hey Siri, close the slider."
Done.
As you can see, the shades are lowering, and very shortly it's going to be completely dark, which is perfect for sleeping. So as I mentioned, and I'm going to have very bad light here, so I might do a second take on this. Let's see how it works out. So the concept is, I wonder if you can see me. If you're doing shades and you want voice activation, you could also run it off of the app. You can run it off a remote control. The choices are huge, but it's incredibly functional and something that you'd probably really enjoy. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.